this one mainly, you know, he wanted to keep the same kind of retro classic look, so we decided to do these new style switches. So you simply hit up, you don't roll it up, you just kind of tap it, and then you tap down, and it goes up and down. Along with the back windows, if you look in here a little bit, Maria, you can kind of see the other side. It still has the same classic door handle right there. And check this out. Show them from not here, but it's fine. We simply hit up just like that side, down, and they all roll up and down. Now right down here, we added a master switch. It's kind of hidden, but if you hit this switch, you can roll up all the windows without having to reach over and break your back to do each one of them. Now, this is not an easy process. It's time consuming. We waited about almost 2 weeks for parts. Meanwhile, we were doing some adjustments on the whole sound system. We added some back speakers, front speakers, relocated the stereo, did a whole new amp, and cleaned up some of the wiring. Now it sounds really good. I don't want to do a sound test because the battery's not the best on this car right now, so we're going to minimize that. But yeah, the main thing, power windows. If you need them done, hit us up here at D's Garage. Let's roll.